In today's video, I'll teach you how to find black market meal prep discount code. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now in order to get the discount codes, what you have to do is simply visit the websites that offer you various discount codes of various stores. Here I'm just going to visit the website of Green Promo Codes. So what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in this link www.greenpromocode.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Green Promo Code. Over here, you'll be able to search for this store. Click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply search for Black Market Meal Prep. Type in Black Market Meal Prep. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various coupons for Black Market Meal Prep. You'll be able to see the promo codes over here. You'll be able to find the options like 10% off, 15% off, 20% off, etc. What you have to do is simply click on this option for show code that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. Now in the new tab, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the discount code. You can simply copy this code if you want and use it during the checkout in Black Market Meal Prep, and you'll be able to get the promised discount. So that is how you find Black Market Meal Prep discount code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.